Hey guys, Chuck House of Mopar. We're going to Nationals, Columbus, Ohio. And I am going to take Thelma on her first major road trip. 400 miles one way. Not taking the Satellite. I'm not taking Gakuda. Taking this. Yep. We're not going, we're going, it's Thursday. It would be normally the day we'd be, what is it, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock their time. So yeah, we'd be pretty dang close there now. But we're not. Nobody, we're all going to Bowling Green instead. It's cooler. Temperature wise, it's picking up, be the third year. So yeah, we're gonna go basically for the swap meet is why we're going, me and 2 other guys. And we're taking my van. And yeah, I'm gonna change the air filter on this thing, oil's change, go from there. All right. Friday morning, we're at Baymont. Where we're at, we're not in Columbus yet. About an hour from there, we decided to stop west of there because the hotels are so damn expensive because of Nationals. It's certainly a lot more comfortable than riding in a muscle car like yesterday. All right, it's about 7 Ohio time. When you get to getting, here we go.
Show that you had. right now, he goes, identical things are coming out of China. He goes, probably they sold it. They needed money. They sold the shit to him.
Howdy. No, you're all right.
Central Illinois.
To the midway to meet Daryl Quinn.
There's just some small blemishes on it. 18.
We're back. I'm back. What'd you think? That was pretty cool. Let me spin around here so you can see my face. Pretty cool, right? National's always cool. 2 days of absolutely gorgeous weather. We were there one day, but it was like 85 and zero humidity, or low for August 15th in America, in the middle America. These guys gonna interrupt me. We had a great time. It's just a thrash. Went over to go over it, see what we could find for spare parts mostly. But so many vendors weren't there. Mancini Racing, for crying out loud, was gone. Brewers wasn't there. I don't know. But Jamie Passon was there with his 4-speeds. Legendary Year One vans. Stevens Performance. Where were you guys? Probably can't get people to help you set up. But yeah, we had a good time. You know what? Riding in an air-conditioned minivan beats the hell out of thrashing along and sweating your fanny off in a muscle car, but it is a minivan, so whatever. We had a good time. Quick thrash, came back. Old Drew there, he's finally going to be there for his wife's birthday, which is always on Nationals. I'm sure she appreciated that. When he got away, guys, let's see what you can see back here. I'll give you a quick peek. Still piddling. Still piddling with Thelma. Is that what your mom called it, piddling? Mine did. Dad said farting. Quit farting around. All right. That's all I got. Thanks, guys, for watching, and you'll see more Thelma later. See ya.